Hey guys, this is our first home vlog. We've done other things about where we've gone and everything else, so this is kind of cool.
This is our first. Like I said, we're just starting this out. We don't know if we're going to keep all this in here or if you guys like it or anything, or if you have like people who love Christmas and can't decide what to put up, then let us know too.
Hold on, I'm laughing because Echo's pads are all white from the drywall.
Oh.
So we were putting up our tree, and our tree doesn't work. The lights are all jacked up.
Thing is,
there's Amber.
It's not Thanksgiving yet, but who cares? We can start Christmas early.
So our tradition used to be weekend-ish.
After Thanksgiving?
After Thanksgiving, so, but I work next week, so it's coming up today.
It's also good though too because the lights don't work, so we had to order a new Christmas tree. We still have our Thanksgiving decorations up, so what, tomorrow?
There's Mickey.
Or the next day we'll probably start decorating and do a home vlog.
So we got kind of a little bit of stuff. We're still kind of picking up for Christmas, getting everything ready. She's not happy, as you can tell. So let's go downstairs to our messy thing.
We have to start taking down the Thanksgiving stuff to put up the Christmas things. Come on, Echo.
So, in my defense, I'm still working on the bathroom downstairs.
Don't show them the floor.
So, it's almost-ish done. Everything's kind of roughed in. The toilet's not roughed in totally yet. Built that wall. And here's all the Christmas stuff. Yay!
We did get new wrapping paper.
So what's our theme this year, lady?
Our tree is gonna be rose gold-ish, right? These at home, that's the store. So it's gonna be like that color.
And I saved them.
Yeah. And gold. And then like some accents.
Okay, these are gonna fall. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Like accent stuff. Because we're gonna do, we do butterflies because it reminds us of our baby, Rain. So we just got some other stuff. We really haven't taken this out, huh?
No.
Here's the butterflies that I'll match. So it's gonna be like rose gold, pink gold, I guess. I don't know, is that a thing? And then we got these white ones. So we're gonna have all those ornaments. Oh, and then I didn't think that was enough ornaments, so I told Brian that we needed these ornaments. So probably what, like 30 some ornaments that's gonna go on our 7.5-foot tree.
Ish.
I've always wanted a pink.
So because we're doing rose gold, we had to get rose gold wrapping paper.
Oh, and then our stockings.
So
We found these at home. It's really cheap there. Like, if you guys.
I think we only spent like 120 bucks.
Yeah, these were only $8 each, and then like these were like $2 or $3. These ornaments here, those were like $7 or something. It was not expensive at all.
Yeah, I think they're like $2.99.
I highly recommend going there if you guys have it. This was like, this was $20 for all of these. For 12 of those.
So what are the stockings?
These are the stockings we did. A for Amber, E for Echo, R for Rain.
If you guys don't know, Rain was our baby that we lost.
Brian.
And this is the first stocking we've got
Oh, and then this is our
for him.
This is our star this year. It's the Bethlehem star.
Ooh, and our tree comes with the thing that you can plug into it.
Mm-hmm.
So, and you know,
I'm gonna put these here.
no Christmas is complete unless you have a Mickey popcorn
So I can start
thingy.
taking this stuff upstairs. There's a lot of decorations because last year we did.
Well, last year we moved from Florida.
Yeah, so the year before we did red and green.
Oh.
One of our cousins, Bailey, made these for us.
Shout out to Bailey. Say hi, everybody.
Yeah, Bailey's watching. She knew that we love Disney. And look at how cool these are. She made all of these. Like, I don't even want to put them up because they're like, look at that. Isn't that cute? Bailey did amazing. Maybe you guys can order from her.
So Bailey, if you have a link, let us know and we'll advertise for you.
We did red and green the year before. The year before that, well, our very first was royal blue and dark purple.
And silver.
But then we like did all this stuff. So there's like all of this that we have to put up. Oh, and then we got our Donald at the Christmas party
Pluto.
last year. Oh, Pluto, yeah.
So we have Pluto.
We need to get the red sweater one.
We have Pluto
And Mickey.
and Mickey.
So animals. Did you know that? Oh, here's our Mickey.
Oh, well, we had to still buy that Chip and Dale one.
Yeah. Oh, and here, yeah, there's the pillow. Here's the. I think we have a couple of Mickey and Minnies. We have this one.
Okay, so Amber loves buying Christmas stuff,
You can't tell.
and we're running out of space.
The small one. And then there's the big one. And then this is. What is this? What is this here?
I think it was our anniversary.
No, this was our first Christmas. This is a 2005 bear. 13-year-old bear.
Damn, we're old.
Jane.
Oh yeah, because we got a male and female. This is Amber's.
Oh yeah, look it. Remember we found that? We thought that could be cute for rain.
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Oh, okay, so these are. This is what we used for Echoes. Not last year, but the year before, right?
We were in Florida.
The stocking holders for these.
Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense though, because we got that little one
Yeah,
for rain.
for rain. Okay, I don't know what we have. We have not gone
So-
through this.
This one with a little Echo got her picture taken with Santa about 6 years ago. Comment below. So we both have ornaments that, even though they don't really necessarily match with the theme that we're doing every year, we still put them on the tree. Well, we keep them, but we also put them on the tree. So I got a couple that are from like my childhood that I put up. Amber has a couple that she puts up.
There's some that
Just
my mom
for-
made.
Those are cool.
We have them from when we were growing up. Like, one year we did it that way, but I think next year, between this Christmas and next Christmas, we're gonna buy like a 5-foot and either have it for Rain's Christmas tree or just have it for like another tree to decorate
Yeah.
with like our baby stuff or like any kind of these ornaments that we have. We still have to go
So,
through a lot.
like this ornament. Sorry. Like this one typically goes up every year.
Yeah, that was for. That's what I got you when you were in the Navy.
Yeah. So stuff like that. I mean, comment below if you guys have ornaments that you guys always put up on every year. I think Amber puts that one up every year.
This is from 2007.
Wow. Well, okay, not every year.
Oh no, here's Brian's from 2001 and
There's no picture in
Okinawa.
there. What? That was Okinawa.
Yeah, look.
Shoot, I was a junior in high school.
And then
Dang, I'm old.
I have my ballet slippers from when I was like really tiny. See, all this stuff is
It's like you reminisce, like whenever you save all your Christmas stuff, we don't have any kids here with us, so we don't have an opportunity of keeping them with like all these ornaments. But we do have you know, we do try, and here comes Echo.
Come here, Echo. We had that small white tree, but yeah, we have this because it reminds us of, like, you know, the traditions that you have growing up. So we're finishing up outdoor lights. Well, Brian is.
Yeah, too short.
Putting them up there. We have this that we found. We just need to figure out where to put it, and then a little bit more lights. We have those ones up. I don't know if you can see or not. And there's some that are up here. So that's where we're at now. Hopefully we can do it before the sun sets. But Brian's using a new technique this year.
It's called infrared lights.
I'm not sure where we're gonna put that wreath. Do you know where you want to put it? Because we were thinking here on the pole, like right over there. But then I was like, well, what if we put it over there? Our first initial plan was to put it up there, but we don't know. I don't know if we're gonna reach that at all, especially with the ladder. So we'll have to check back in with you guys in a little bit. Well, at least Brian's, what, like halfway done? Well, we'll check in with you guys here in a little bit. Hi, Brian. I decided to bring Echo out because it's like 50 degrees out, so it's pretty nice. And this is what she does. Should probably do this for a while. Echo, come here. Come here. You're seriously ready to go inside already? Now Brian's got quite a bit done. Update. We just got that left and that's it. Just that part. Then we also have to figure out what to do with this. With the light up thing.
I would say comment below, but it'll be up by the time you guys.
Yeah, we're not live right now. We'll check back. And then we'll have to do inside. I decorated a little bit, but not too much. Okay guys, so we finished. It's a lot darker than what it shows on here. Ryan did great. Mm-hmm. This is what it looks like from the sidewalk. Want to go closer? We got these at Lowe's. Ryan? Got these at Lowe's. We also got this at Lowe's. Pretty cool. We got these at Target. And then where did we get these multicolor ones? We got these at Lowe's. This is the first year we've done multicolor. So hopefully it turned out good. We'll probably have like a part 2 of our inside because we haven't done that yet. We're still waiting on our Christmas tree because the one we have now is broken. These are pretty light. They're cool. They light up a lot. Brian did really good. He was going to get on the roof to try to get the area up there, but it was a little sketchy. Well, it got a little darker, But that's the outside. So hopefully you guys like it. Yes, we love Disney. We'll probably have to end this video and then do a part 2 probably tomorrow. So Brian might do this today or tonight.
Sure.
Probably edit tonight.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye guys.
See ya.